I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're in Toronto with a beautiful home at 120 Falstaff Avenue. No expense spared, no detail missed. This is an exceptional luxury home that you're going to want to see. Welcome home. As soon as you enter, you'll notice quality. This door has several locking mechanisms and you've got solid oak doors just on the closet. Come on in, I'd like to show you a few more features. The living room and dining room of this home have exceptional features. There's upgraded flooring, as well as this beautiful full wood built in the dining room. And look behind me, that's a white oak kitchen. Stone counters, center island, stainless steel countertops, custom built from the ground up, pure luxury, gorgeous kitchen. In the 28 years I've been a realtor, it's the invisible money that counts. People can always work on decor, but infrastructure and mechanical money is the big bucks. Let me show you something incredible here and the quality of the windows in this home. These are three-way European design windows, so we're locked. If we open to the left, it opens in a full tilt. And then in this way, you can let in a little bit of air without opening the window entirely. These are not something you could buy off the shelf. They're custom order windows, and you can hear the quiet that they allow on the main floor. This home offers an incredible size, 3 bedrooms. Why? Originally, this was a 4-bedroom design. Now you've got an expansive primary suite, a second bedroom that's the size of most primary suites, and a very large third, all serviced by a gorgeous renovated bathroom. The renovated bathroom on this main level offers attention to detail. You've got a beautiful stone counter on this vanity, high quality ceramics throughout the bathroom, as well universal design. There's a walk-in tub here. These are rather expensive. It's got jets in it, and it's easy to use as a shower as well. You'll see the European design windows in this room as well, and no expense or detail spared. Panasonic exhaust vent. Those are great. I actually have them myself. They're whisper quiet and they do an incredible job. Again, this renovation was done for a homeowner, not to flip. There's exquisite detail in here. We're in the lower level of this home. Look at this kitchen. This is better than most main level kitchens. You've got stone counters here. It's a full size kitchen with a beautiful tile inlay, enough room to feed a large family, and it's a gorgeous open concept design. The lower level of this home continues to impress. You've got a gorgeous open concept design, again with the custom pattern tile. You have a potential bedroom with wall-to-wall storage, and there's a walk-in workshop behind me. In addition, there's another open space that can be used as a games room, a laundry utility room, and a stunning renovated bathroom. It's absolutely gorgeous. From top to bottom, inside and out, this home is totally finished. The backyard of this home exemplifies the details that are available to you here. Gorgeous patio, stone patio, huge backyard. If you love to entertain, there's a gazebo and sitting area, large oversized shed, and still plenty of room for gorgeous landscaping. It's always a pleasure to help people find or sell their home, but in a case like this, it's a particular privilege, because you can see the quality that exudes in this home, the detail that's here, the actual workmanship that's been involved, the care that's come in from the owner to ensure that the house is meticulous throughout. What's next? Come and see your dream home. You can contact us at 416-557-7653. It's 416-557-SOLD. You can check out this home and the Matterport tour of it, the virtual tour, at matteirealty.ca, or email us at info@matteirealty.ca. This home is by appointment only because of its quality, so please feel free to contact us. I'm Eric Mattei. Have a great day.